again. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing and hair review. So firstly, I would like to thank our sponsor for this video. This wig is coming from CURLKALON Hair. This is what the box looks like. So before we get into the goods, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So I was sent a wig by CURLKALON Hair. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I'm pretty sure I am. CURLKALON Hair. So this is what the box looks like. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so I really like the inside of the box. This is how the inside looks. Curls with confidence. So this hair is definitely for African American hair. So this is the card that comes in the box. It's cute. And on this card, it has the different curls. So they have a Carrie curl, a Sania curl, a Sanaya curl, Kenzie curl, and a Tony curl. And it says curls with confidence. Our curls come in 4 sizes in 10 inches, 20 inches, and 24 to meet your curl personality. Plus all curls are alkaline free. We promise to always go above and beyond to provide stress-free and affordable hair products to our curl friends. So this brand sounds like it will be really good for like our natural crew, our natural clique, you know, the girls with the natural hair. Okay, nice. And then on this card, it also tells you kind of like your care instructions, and it also talks about the brand. And you can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and they have all their information here, which will be linked in the description box, as well as the link for the wig. So this headband wig that I received is blown out straight, 18 inches. And the hair is giving blown out, like you're natural and you just blew out your hair. That's what this hair is giving, like. So this is the hair. So they say you're natural and you blew out your hair. This is what the hair is giving. So this has the Velcro band. Just like other headband wigs, you just snap it open, snap it closed. This wig also comes with a comb. So it comes with 2 combs at the top, and then 1 comb in the middle, which is great, and then another comb at the very bottom. So this hair actually has no smell, which is awesome. And I can't wait to wash this hair to kind of see how it looks after I wash it. Let's try it on. So this wig fits really snug. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. Very, very soft. Like, I love it. It has so much body. Very thick, very cute. Easy to comb through. So let's use the combs. So that way we can secure the wig. You definitely want to secure the wig. Ooh. Yes, honey, yes. I love how soft this hair is. I love the little kinky curlies in it. This hair is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Okay? I love how thick it is. And you can style this in a number of ways. You can even do, like, for instance, I'm thinking of doing like a half up, half down look. So basically how I would do it is I would take some of the hair like this, and then and kind of style it like that. style it like that, and then like put on a cute headband and you ready to go. I'm gonna use one of my headbands that I got from Amazon, so that way you can really see what I'm talking about when it comes to styling. So yeah, something like this, and then you just put it in a pony, and voila. Let me show you all the back. Okay, so another style I would do is like a bun, like a high bun. I think that would be really nice. Okay, so there we have it. We have a bun. It looks very natural. Like this basically looks like it could be my hair, okay? Like, like this is definitely giving. I would put like, make sure my headband is covering it, or I would do like a scarf to make sure that the back isn't showing. But yes, I really like this. This is really cute. I freaking love the bun. Love it, love it, love it. Or you can do like a low pony. Do like a low pony. So I'm gonna do a side ponytail because I think side ponytails are cute. And bam. This is side pony action. Or you can even do a side bun if you wanted to. Like, bam, now we got our side bun. Okay. Okay, so your girl is back after washing this hair. To wash this hair, I ran some lukewarm water. I put a squeeze of shampoo in it, and then I just cleaned it, dipped it in and out, cleaned it. And then after that, I put some conditioner on this hair and let it sit for 5 minutes. And then after that, I rinsed it out and I let it air dry, and here we are. It's still a little damp in the back. So what I'm gonna do is take this blow dryer, put it on a low heat setting, and I'm just gonna blow the back to get it like completely dry. Okay guys, so this is after the hair has been blown out. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put some curls in this. So now, if you want to put some curls in this and you don't want to put heat on it, I would recommend flexi rods. But today we're going to put some heat on it. So before we put heat on it, I'm going to go ahead and get some heat protectant and apply it to this wig. Okay, so this is the heat protectant that I like to use. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, or a little more than a little bit, since this is a lot of hair, and I'm just going to evenly distribute it. Okay, so now that that's done, we are going to one curl it. So I have my one curler here. And this is how the curl looks. So I'm going to continue to curl this hair, so just stay tuned.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap, and your flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a baby, now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm working. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Lost and all, I love them all. For me, a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. So know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing, they ain't really love you. Running game, you say. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas try you, touch your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. You know you tired of the same damn things. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. You know you tired of the same damn things. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Okay guys, so I am done wand curling the hair. I absolutely love these curls and how thick they are. Like, I freaking love it. Love it. Let me show you the back. Hopefully I didn't miss any part of my hair in the back. Don't you hate it when like you curling your hair and then you miss a part? Like you miss one of them, so you got all this curly hair and like one hair strand is like straight. I freaking hate that, but I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And this hair can like really hold a curl, like. So I'm gonna put on a headband. I decided to go with red since there's a little bit of red in my shirt. Like that. And yeah, this is a look. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give me the big thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Until next time, peace.